Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing with you how I made this beautiful resin candle holder tray. So this was a wedding gift. So also along with that I'll share some of my personal stories of my anxiety issues and how I dealt with it. So let's get started. So here I have already mixed the 3:1 resin, and here I am mixing this translucent red paste for the resin candle. So if you have this kind of paste colors, you can mix it on the spatula first and then you mix it into the resin, which helps to reduce those color clumps which you get in the resin. So while you watch how I make this piece, let us share something which I have dealt with, and I have really won this anxiety issues this time, and let's share it. So what I was going through from past 1.5 months, I was having multiple anxiety attacks, and those were mostly like, if anything happens to me, how my parents will survive, how everything will go. Like I thought like everything will fall apart. Actually, I was going through some health issues which were minor, but in my mind it was like something worst is going to happen. So that took a toll in my mind, and I was so exhausted. After a certain point, I realized that I was not even talking to my parents properly. I was not able to concentrate on my work. I was not even talking with my friends, my colleagues. Neither I was doing resin art for 1.5 months. So I completely shut myself, and I realized that took on a negative way in my mind, and those thoughts were continuously, it was like in a loop it was coming, and I was unable to help myself like how to deal with it, because at that point of time I didn't know that what I was going through. I thought, probably I'm honestly going through some serious health issues. So what I did was I started searching of what I was going through, and then I got to know that this is severe anxiety issue I am going through. So I didn't know at that point of time like how to help myself. And also you guys may know that in our society mental health is an issue which nobody discusses, or very few people discusses, and it like nobody put much concentration on like what mental health is all about, and neither we get the kind of people who will hear us. Like most of us we don't get, and also if we get, we do not know whether the person will be able to understand us. So these are the issues I went through. I would love to know what, if you guys go through, any of you guys go through such anxiety issues, what are the symptoms you guys feel and how you deal with it. So now coming back to how I dealt with it. So by the time I was completely exhausted, I got this wedding gift order. So this was the person who gave me this order. They didn't tell me exact designs or anything. They just told me that just whatever way you feel like, you just make it. So I was researching on the designs, the colors, like how I will make it and how much time will it take. So one thing I noticed, that while I was doing those researches, I was making the designs and everything. By that time when I was doing it, I was not thinking of any anxiety thoughts which were actually going on in my mind. And at that point of time I felt like nothing is happening, like no anxiety. I am not having any kind of anxiety. And that time I realized that this is what can help me to deal with my anxiety, because I really love doing resin art, and when I do it, I am completely into this thing, and that time I just forget everything else. And actually that helped me a lot. And that time I realized that, if I do what I love continuously, that is going to help me with my anxiety issues, and I will be able to help myself by doing what I love, not only to grow my channel, my creativity, but also to help myself with anxiety. And I would love to know from you guys, if any of you go through such anxiety issues, what are the type of patterns you guys you guys have, or how you deal with it, how you help yourself. But I would like to say one thing, that I have realized in past 1.5 months that no matter what mental health you go through, just do not give up. You are the first person who can help yourself. So before asking for help, just ask yourself how you can help yourself, and that helps a lot. You need to be your best friend first, and then you need to ask someone for help. So first I would say that just help yourself, love yourself first, and think how you can do it. Okay, so coming back to my resin art, so this is the vinyl sticker I have made with the help of Crooked Joy, and I really love making customized resin vinyl stickers. So if you guys want to know how I make the stickers, just do let me know in the comment section. I will make a separate video on it so that you guys can get to know how I make this pieces. And this actually helps a lot. Like if you have this Crooked Joy machine, this for all the resin art artists, this is a must have. So this helps a lot. And this thing is like, making yourself a favor. This is an expensive, Crooked Joy is an expensive machine, but this really helps. So here I am putting the resin top coat on the small little hearts which I have made. Actually I thought to join it together, so I missed that part where I am joining this two hearts together. So I have joined it. You will be able to see in the later part that the hearts are completely joined. So I joined those hearts with the help of UV resin, and after that I just placed it on this resin tray which I made. So this was a pink marble design which I tried to create, and on that I just placed the candle holders. This too I have placed here, and after that I have placed this beautiful heart which I have made. This is really cute. And the golden color which I have given the surrounding of the tray, this is actually a liquid golden color which I have bought from Amazon. You can find it on Amazon. And this is the 2:1 resin which I am putting above as a top coat. So I always apply 2:1 resin as a top coat always. And also along with that I have used some pearls and like glass pieces for just for the decoration purpose, and also some kind of blue and orangish glitter I have applied, which were actually looking good. So here is the final piece which I have created after 48 hours. This is the final look of it. Do let me know guys if you like this, or if you want any changes, or if you have any suggestion for me. I would love to read your comments, and I would love to improvise myself with the help of your comments. So Also would love to know that how you guys help yourself. That will also help. So also you just let me know how you like this final piece. So this is with the candles, and please do like, share and comment below if you like my channel, and that will